Paul Pratt here from Pursuit Advisors, just coming through with an update on COVID-19. We've now had a bit of time to process things over the past few days and the announcements coming through from the government in relation to protecting our borders, shutting down major events, the stimulus package. And having been on the ground chatting to local businesses last week and again over the weekend and today, it is becoming more and more evident that the reaction to this virus and the impact it's having on our local communities and the small businesses is real. So what I'm going to do is going to be calling out tonight and asking you to do what you can in the capacity that you have to help support these local businesses. We need to stop that crazy buying at the likes of Coles and Woolworths and Aldi and direct that energy into these local businesses that need our support now. As we said last week, our government announced some funding, almost $20 billion in government stimulus, with the majority of that aimed at business. Since reflecting on that though, a lot of this is going to come through too little and too late. The first time we're going to see the funds trickle through is not for weeks, sometimes for some businesses not for months, and some of these businesses need a hell of a lot more support than what's being provided by Mr. Morrison. We need to get money into the hands that need it most, and we need to do it now. So, as I said, forget about Safeway, forget about Coles, forget about Aldi. Let's get down to our local butcher shops, our local fruit and veg places, our bakeries, our clothing stores, those that sell confectionery, alcohol, even toilet paper I know you can get from locally owned businesses as well. And not only that, think of those trades that need our support, as well as mechanics, professional services like real estate agents and dentists. They're all employers, cafes, pubs, all those places. We need to make sure we get behind them. They need our support. A couple other things, even hairdressers, takeaway food. I could keep going on, but when you go to shop, when you reach into your wallet and get out your cash or card, think about where's it going to. Think about who that business employs. We need the money in the hands of locals. Unfortunately, we are going to see businesses close their doors. Many of these businesses will never reopen. People are going to lose their jobs. Families are going to lose their homes, and our communities will take years to recover. And given the fragile state of many people and businesses, we're going to see many lives lost. Please rest assured I'm not downplaying the risks that come with this virus, and I support the actions and encourage the government to do more to help soften the curve so we can get this contained as soon as possible and get back to normal in our communities. So we are going to see schools close. It's only a matter of time. We're going to see more and more people requested to work from home. We're probably even going to see communities shut down. Our public transport system will likely cease. So I do encourage you to keep listening to the advice being provided by our Prime Minister and our respected health professionals, and do what you can to protect those that are most likely to be severely impacted by this virus. So those with weak immune systems, the elderly. Keep your distance, keep in touch through technology, and most importantly, offer to help to support them. They will need essential goods. Get them to them instead of them having to go out in general public to phone call or text message away. We are here to help them. Again, reinforcing, please support our local businesses now. So if you're fit and healthy, showing no symptoms of the coronavirus, and taking into account what our government says, as well as being in the financial position to do so, please go out there and support our local businesses now. Do what Australians do well. Let's unite together. Let's cut the crap panic that we're seeing. That's crazy. And instead, let's stay safe, seek the help, look after each other, and support and unite as one. Also, just a pursuit here, we are in constant talks about what we can do as a business to help. We employ locals and we need to ensure we keep those employed, and more importantly, or as importantly, we are the trusted advisors of many small and medium-sized businesses in and around our communities. So we are working on strategies to help them. We are contacting them, and if we haven't spoken to you already, we will do in the coming days. However, if things are that pressing to deal with, please reach out and we'll do what we can. We are here for you as other small business advisors are. Let's support locals, reduce the impact, stay safe people, and let's unite as one.